Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca in case this is your first time here. So it's 2 days after our wedding and we're going for honeymoon. Actually where we planned to go before something happened and it couldn't work out. I mean though it was it's just going to take time. It will still come out or work out fine. But for now we decided to go to another state, which is Langkawi. We quickly arranged that yesterday night, and yeah, we are going. What's the time, babe?
Almost 5 a.m.
It's 5 a.m. now. We have a flight to catch up, so see you guys at the airport. Babe, show your face now. Let me see your face. This is the first time we're traveling together.
Yeah. Babe.
About to depart for Langkawi. Guys, we got to the hotel and we both knocked out. I mean, knocked off. We just slept off. We're really tired, especially me. I was exhausted, and that's because I didn't sleep throughout the night yesterday. So we head back to the airport to pick a car for us to go to a seafood restaurant to eat. That's where we're going now. So today is just to eat and get back to our hotel. Our normal activities is going to start tomorrow. So I hope the food meets up to my expectation. The seafood, because it should not be because I've been processing that seafood. The last time I was here is I think I was here 2018. That's four years ago, and the seafood was really good. So I hope it's still the same. So we'll see when I get there.
And I heard their foundation program only costs 12,000 ringgit. There's also a 20% tuition fee waiver for the diploma programs.
Help University is a good university.
I'm going to join their trial classes to find out.
Coincidence, long. Okay. channel again, and today is day 2 of our honeymoon trip. So today we'll be actually, the airport is close to where I am, so I'm like, why is the plane so low? Then I just remembered that the airport is closer. Okay, so today we'll be going for cable car ride, and also we'll be going to the Sky Bridge. So just 2 things. I purposely didn't pack our day so that we have time to rest, go for lunch, dinner, and all of that. So that's what we'll be doing today. I've been to the, what's it called, cable car before. That was like 4 years ago, but it's an interesting place. I don't know if my fiancé has been there before, so we'll be going there today, and that's it for today. Guys, you need to see my outfits. It looks so nice. And this is my bag. I got it last year from, I think, Lazada or something. So maybe I'm going to show you guys my full outfit. So why are you saying oh my god?
Yeah. Look like honey.
I look like honey?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Now what is happened? You want or not?
Yes, dark.
Where's the baby monkey?
Yeah.
Baby, let's go.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Before they will collect my phone, let me.
There's a lifeguard there.
Hey, babe. Babe. Ah, babe. Oh, this is the first time I will go on water to do any activity. Like, I had to use one mind because you cannot come here and just go like that. But it was really interesting. It was fun. I didn't want to ride jet ski because this man here wants to be the one to drive me. Ha! I cannot come. I don't have 2 lives, so I cannot come and waste my life on water. So we better do the one that we know how to do. So guys, we just arrived at Master Beach or something. I don't know. This boat cruise makes sense because for the amount we paid, though, it really makes sense. We're going to spend 4 hours for this journey. This is the last location before we get back to our pickup points. So we'll just sit and relax here for a while and head back. Why are you so serious?
No, I'm replying the bridge.
Anyways, guys, so today is our last day here and it's already 2 p.m. We actually plan to relax throughout today, like just be at home, watch Netflix and sleep, wake, eat. That's it. But it doesn't make sense to come to Langkawi and not go for shopping. Like, they have nice chocolates at their duty-free store. I've been here before. So we'll be going to the duty-free mall. Is it mall or store? I don't know. Anyone. We'll be going there to, it's a mall. We'll be going there to get few chocolates and some other nice things, I mean, if we see. So that's all we're doing for today. We're going to have lunch now. We don't know where we're eating, but we'll check out for that. There should be a nice restaurant around here. So guys, we're back to the hotel now, and let me show you guys the things I bought. We bought cup noodles for midnight. So I always eat at midnight too. So we bought cup noodles. I mean, nobody's ready to step out again today. I bought this tall big lollipop for my 2 little bride. So I'm just going to give this to their parents on Sunday. And these are the chocolates I've got. I got Kisses. I've been wanting to buy this since early this year. Kisses. I bought drinks. I bought this one also. And lastly, I got this. I got this not because I want to taste it, but because it looks fancy, the color pink. So these are the chocolates I got. And last but not the least, I bought something I'm addicted to, which is perfume. If you know me very well, you know that this is one thing I'm really addicted to. I'm actually addicted to anything that smells nice, anything fragrance. So like now, I think I have up to 30 perfumes. 30 perfume. Imagine, how can human being have like 30 perfume? Anyway, so these are the things we bought. Departure to Langkawi. Departure to I said departure to Langkawi. I mean departure to Kuala Lumpur. So departure to Kuala Lumpur 8:20. That's our flight. So guys, I'm at the airport now. I've done my check-in online, so I'm just waiting for the boarding time. I'm really tired. Like, I didn't get to sleep well. I slept for like 1 hour, if I'm not mistaken. So I feel stressed, tired. I cannot wait to get to KL and just go to bed straight. I look like someone that is drunk. To you streets. Guys, so we've arrived and we're just waiting for our cab to pick us up. Let me tell you the story of this flight that we bought while coming. This is like the most scariest or frightening flight I've ever taken. The problem is not with the pilot or the plane, but the weather. I think next time I want to book flight, I'm going to check the weather forecast to be sure the weather is okay. Like, it was super cloudy and it was raining. And our pilot was just going up, down, up, down, up, down. Just because our pilot was trying to avoid cloudy area and all. It was super cloudy and the plane was shaking. Like, I was super scared. So finally, we shall landed. I don't even want to think about any flights now. Like, for the next maybe 6 months, no flight, no local flight at all. So anyways, we're back home. We're back to Kuala Lumpur, and let me just end this vlog. This vlog will be long, oh. Let me just end this vlog. So bye guys, I will see you guys in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Bye.